I'm now tired. I have my bag here, so my bag is really heavy, so this is where, and we are now eating food with bags. Fucking bed bugs in my hotel, guys. There are bed bugs in my hotel. Look at this. Check out these bed bugs walking. Oh, fuck. Look, I just checked in here in this hotel last night, because it's only one day. I just want to have a place to sleep, and then I just booked this hotel. So I just woke up right now. I went to the shower, and then look at this. Bed bugs walking. Oh, fuck, no. No, let me just investigate. Guys, this hotel is not going to have any fucking form of peace. I'm just seeing if they have like more of these things here. This one is a spider walking on this bed. Look at this bed bug. Shit. Ah, man. This is why like I used to not, I mean like I go to every hotel. Look at this bed bugs walking. Fucking shit. It's just crazy. And you cannot even pull these ones up, because there is nothing. Shit. This here, although like it's a beautiful view, guys, but a fucking bed bug inside the hotel. No. But if I go like at the other side, I'm going to show you guys the bed bug. No, the hotel names, because no one should come here, and take this hotel without knowing what's going on. So this here is the hotel where I have slept last night, as you can see here. And this is where the bed bugs are. Anyway, so if you are ever coming to Mannheim, I hope do not just book your hotel here, because you are going to have the bed bugs at the end of the day. So I'm gonna now go inside the city to film something for you guys. Hey, I'm kidding you guys, don't do something stupid. So during summer here, they are going to just maintain this place here during the summer times, where people will just come, gather, enjoy, listen to music, also eat food, and just relax. So here, let's go and check. Oh yeah, there you have it. There they have the sign. It says Hochwasser, which means like that the river is flowing, So if you go to some cities right now here in Germany, you will see that the river is taking the places, So here, as you can also see, the river is flooded right now up to all these areas, And then in some cities, you will even see that like people will have to leave their houses, But here, luckily, like houses are just really up there. So no matter how the river is, then people do not need to move away, So let's go back. So let's go back and continue filming. This is the city of Mannheim. So all this here on this wall here, so these are all posters, like for different programs that are happening right now in the city, or that are also going to happen in the city. So which means if you are happen to pass by here, then you can also read here, in these posters, then you will know what's going on in the city at least, then you will have programs to attend. And there we go. There you have the Straßenbahns going, I mean like one of the things that I love about big cities, like someone like me currently who is living in a small city, is that in big cities you always have things to do, like come on, you always have things to do. I don't know what is this. Check this one. I don't know, like yeah, maybe like it is showing the speeds of the bikes, like people who are riding bikes, maybe, because there is a specific limit maybe for bikes also in the city. I hope I'm not wrong, but if you are a German, let me know what this is. So this is a bridge here, and as you can see, the flood is getting worse and worse. So there you have one of the tallest structures here in Mannheim. So that's something. So let's go and just see this beautiful city. I don't have like much time here in the city, but the few minutes that we have, then we are going to explore this city together. So one thing, you know, like that you will also love about some European cities is that bicycles, you know. In most of the cities, if you go, for example, you will have bicycles everywhere, you know, because majority of the peoples, you know, like are trying to use as many bicycles as possible, you know, because they are less costly. Not only that, you know, they also do not pollute the places. Well, let me just let this tram pass, and then I can just show you guys. So behind me here, there is a schools, you know. So this school is for peoples like who are learning the German language, you know. I was here in this city of Mannheim before, and then this is where like so many people come here, you know, just to learn the German language. So let us just walk. Well, let me turn this one and show you guys how the city center here looks like. And then so these poles up here, like this just reminds me of Africa. I mean like Africa in general, because if you go to Africa, like the current poles, by the way, these ones are just for these, you know, trams which are just walking here to, you know, to transport people, I believe. But if you go to Africa, across the continent, you will have poles mixing everywhere, especially in countries like Gambia, Zimbabwe, you know, and even I think like all African countries are just the same when it comes to that. So let's just walk and see this city. So here is the city center. There you have the flowers, you know, for lovers, I mean. And there is a supermarket. So this supermarket, it's called Aldi, you know. Like it's part of the supermarket branch here in Germany, which are cheap, or which are like cheaper if you should compare it to the other ones. So, and one thing also like you will love about the big cities is that like everywhere you also go, you will have, you know, like these Turkish food. I don't know if it is like Turkish or Arabic foods. Anyway, correct me if I'm wrong. Like doner, stuffs like that. Then you have them like in all parts of the city. So beside that, you also have a lot of foreigners also here in Mannheim. So yeah, they are just removing everything in those places to build the new ones. I mean, the time I was here, I have a friend, Flo. This is the place where he was living, like in this house is here, you know. So right now they are just taking all of them down. So this here is also a genius way, you know, like for people to do advertising. Like over there or inside here, like they are just coming to build houses there, which means constructions. So to cover these places so that like people will not see or people will not go there what is in there, so they just cover everything here. I mean, like with these walls, you know, whereby there are things written on them. So which means, in other words, it is also a genius way, like for people who just want to do advertising, you know, and stuff like that. So there you also have like a different shops. Here you can also buy watches, gold. So on this other side here you have a small market which is going on here right now. And then you also have like a lot of police presence as well. So this here is the city center of Mannheim. As you can see, I mean, it's still morning, you know, but people are starting their daily lives, their daily walks, you know. And then transportation is always available in big cities, guys. That is also one of the reasons I love big cities, you know, because it doesn't matter the time of whether night or the day, you know, you will always have people around, you will always have people walking, you will always have shops open, you know, like things will always be going on. That is why I love big cities. And then there you have flowers on the other side. So that's here is also I believe like a part of the. So this is where they call Marktplatz, I believe. Here in the city center. Ah, okay, it's not coming this way. So I mean right now things are tense, you know, for what happens here, you know. So you have like a lot of police presence, I mean, in this city. And there you have people like walking on their gardens. Oh yeah. That top is really cool. So they are just preparing, I mean, places. Summertime is coming. No, I mean, no. I mean, like in some African countries, you know, like having a clean water is really hard, you know, like in some villages, you know. So check out this place, you know. Abundant water is flowing like 24 hours a day, the whole summer. I mean, like during winter, like they will just off it, you know, because like you will have a lot of water. But during summer here, you have abundant water. At the end of the day, you know, like people don't need water. So African politicians, if you are watching this thing, then you guys just need to rethink and the way you also do things. So this is where I am sitting right now. I am right now sitting at Marktplatz. Yeah, Marktplatz. I don't know if you guys can see the name there. You know, I'm now tired. I have my bag here. So my bag is really heavy, you know. So this is where I am going to sit a little bit. I mean, it's 11:22 right now. I mean, I don't even have my breakfast yet, nothing. So I'm just going to grab something. Then I will come back here, sit here, enjoy the sunshine, because I really need something to eat, you know. I'm really hungry. So I'm now having my lunch. No, my breakfast actually. I mean, so the weather is beautiful today, you know. Sun is shining. You have people outside, and there you go. Come join me, guys. And we are now eating food with bags.
Capito? Se tu apri il lana aperto paghi 3 ore, se paghi 3 ore. Come io la posso chiamare lei, tu puoi chiamare lei sul numero diretto in Germania.
Yes,
E non paghi
you have
niente.
one to go.
Lei non ti può chiamare. Tu puoi.
So this here is all in the city center of Mannheim. Let's start a walk. So this here is also in Mannheim, and this place here is called Wasserturm. in Mannheim. So there you can also go up. I mean, here is also a nice place. During summer, here you will have people here who are coming all over this place just to sit and enjoy. I mean, the beautiful weather. So here you can also have some beautiful views. Yeah, you have a bird, very intelligent one. A crowd. How do you call it, crowd? I don't know.